So this is why it's important to do an inspection. I've just put my my Mega in here, and I've just had a satisfactory reading. Although it was a little bit high, it was within the tolerances for a ring main. It's jumped from the socket over here, the one on the wall there. That one was 0.48 and this one was 0.65. Obviously I'm doing an inspection inside, there's no oversleeving in the earths, but if we look at this, you can see that there's clearly a loose connection, and it doesn't always show up just by doing a loop test, which is why when you're doing condition reporting, it's important to, where you can, try and remove the socket and always make sure that the conductors are inside the terminal and they're terminated correctly. This is something that is unfortunately common and quite often ends in overheating and burning of these conductors. Now this, like I said, is a ring main and it's passed just the ZS test, but doing further investigative work and taking the socket face off and actually looking behind the socket, we can clearly see that this conductor here on the line is loose. It's not been terminated correctly. Alright guys, hope you found that useful. Best of luck out there when you're doing your own condition reports. Obviously I'm just sharing this with you for informational value. So just because you get a good ZS reading doesn't mean to say that the job is satisfactory. I haven't even looked at the neutrals, but I'm guessing, yeah, looks like we've got the same problem here as well.